Hello everyone. Today we're going to draw a cylinder. Before we draw a cylinder, I hope everybody drew the ellipse that I showed step by step yesterday. If you have not, please do that. You're going to need that ellipse in order to help you draw your cylinder. So as you can see, the cylinder has an ellipse on the top and actually has a curve on the bottom. Even though you won't see that ellipse, you can also draw an ellipse in order to create this curve. So first things first, make sure you have your ellipse on your piece of tracing paper because we're going to transfer it like we always do. Your ellipse should have a y-axis that goes down and then an x-axis that goes across. You're going to need those to help create the curvature of the ellipse, which is very, very unique. In addition, once you have these axes down, you're going to basically establish the width of your ellipse and your height. Your height is going to change depending on where your eye level is at with your ellipse. If you're standing up higher, you're going to see more of this ellipse. An ellipse is just a foreshortened circle is all it is, but it has very, very distinct characteristics. It's not an eye, it doesn't have pointy ends, and it's not a oval. It has very distinct turning from these ends that are horizontal at each end, top, and sides, and the curvature that happens it's very suddenly and very distinct. So once you have transferred that, and I'm not sure if you understood yesterday what I was showing you guys, in order to create the ellipse you need a strip of paper, and what you're doing is you're basically measuring where your edges of your width, and then where the intersection happens, that's where you're adding your hash mark. You're going to do the very, very same for your vertical. Line up the corner with the edge and then mark another hash mark where the intersection is happening. Once you have that, these two little hash mark tick marks have to stay on the track, and the track is these axis points. So when you start to move it, they always have to remain on the axis, and they will start to slowly work over, and you can see how the corner of this matches up. So as you're moving this, you're slowly making a mark where the corner of the paper lies, like so. All right, so that's how you get your ellipse first.